Hello everybody, XJoe81X. And on the tubes today, oh no, wait, we did that already. Oh. This is an older model Glacier Bay. It might not be Glacier Bay. This was installed a couple of years ago. This is our guest bathroom. It's a different design. Yesterday you watched the video of having an apparatus here. This turns the same style. Jesus. Yeah, it has since, it's been here a while. Does that tell you the name? That's a Delta. So that actually is Twatty. Oh. So my wife and I wash the dog in this shower. We stand here. The dog stands here because she hates the shower, and we take the secondary head and we chuchi fanguli the dog. Well, my wife is saying that the dog, for all you people, because I know what you're going to say, pardon? For all you people, yeah, she's pretty big. 67 pounds maybe? Right? Good doggies. Huh? Show them one trick. Give me your paw. I don't know. No. Paw. Okay, good. Speak. 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 Nah, you get it. She's a doggy. Ah, you hurt me, you scratched me. So anyway, she's pretty big. When she was a puppy, that was different. We shut the door, we go in there in our bathing suits. She doesn't really like it, and that's it. So my wife says that this, let me get in here. Oh, sorry, I just took that off. This doesn't reach the dog. Okay, no problem. So I'm trying not to kill myself here. So she turns around and says, oh, maybe there's a replacement. Well, technically there is. It's made by Manhattan. Made in China. China for you. And it's made by Aquasource. There it is, Aquasource. Let me show you what it does. 5 feet, right? Okay, this is normal, right? See? Stepping on it, right? Watch. It goes to 7 feet. I'm 6 feet, so 5 is right here. 6, 7. But the problem with that is there's a lot of tension on it. So she's gonna rip the goddamn thing off the goddamn wall. I'm thinking because there's so much tension, it's gonna do this. You know, and it's gonna pull it. So I'll replace it. I'll take it off. And we'll replace it. For your viewing pleasure, if you watched my previous video, this doesn't have a vacuum purge. This has just 2 holes. So, who's wrong? Who's right? Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? So we replaced, we took everything off. Do the fucking do. We're gonna step in the fucking shower. Pick our panties up so we don't get wet. So this is... No, I'm joking. We just put a rubber piece in there. Oh, God. Rubber ducky, I love you. No, I already did that. Just there's a rubber grommet. Righty tighty. Lefty See, Lucy, what we'll do is, because I'm a fucking idiot, we'll tighten it by hand, get this water out of here, and then we'll hit it with the thing. Boop, boop, boop. Now, I'm not doing it the way I taught you because I'm a professional. We all know what that means. Okay. Oh, God, there was water on the floor. I almost fell down and died. Jesus. Woo! Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? Remember that show? This is the old Delta, right? Got it in camera. Okay, we gotta bring it up there. This piece is missing a rubber. See, it's got a brass ring. Put this on there. This one doesn't have anything. Try to. Got a dog is yelling here. Made in China. That's great. Everything's made in China. So we'll just twist this on. Just hand tighten it because there's no reason to pull a tool. Oh, yeah. So now I could. Hello, everybody. Hello? Jay's on the phone. No, Jay. How you doing? Sharky wants you to test out his washing machines. All right. It's a tad longer. Just a little bit. Double check here. Just ever so slightly. Like I said, it's gonna break. Or I just broke it. So you're in the shower. You gotta wash the dog. Doo-doo. This is like a slinky thing. Hear it? And it does what I told you. So if you put it here, well, you can't see that kind of. So now you're washing the dog. Like I told you, the dog sits perched on here, and she's like, "No, you're killing me." So you wash the top of the dog, and in order to get under, you could go and get under. See? You could change it. I don't know what we do for the dog, what she does. I think it's the middle. And you could kind of, and yeah, right. So let me just show you that design floor and we'll wrap it up. Yeah, you can't see it. Watch this. Ready? So you're taking a shower. Your head nozzle is, let's just say for argument's sake, down like that. This nozzle is in this. Right? Oh, okay, time to wash the dog. You wash the dog, you come around, now watch the nozzle, right? And then you gotta go underneath the belly. Yeah, see what's gonna happen? This, see? Yeah, so, okay. Stay tuned for, Jesus Christ, our next video of the washing machine head breaking. Yeah. So that's the replacement for our double head so the dog could be washed. Right, everybody. Right. That's all. Hit like, hit subscribe, and thanks for watching.